welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters!
Today we're going to do another mug treat.
Today we are going to be doing a soft baked chocolate chip cookie.
If you go check out our other video, we did the rainbow chip one. It's also by Betty Crocker. And
you can find the directions on the back of the box, and also you can find them on the back of the cake mix.
It comes with 2 packages to make the whole mug cake. It's the cake package and the frosting package. And
this is the cake, this is the frosting.
And it comes with 4 mug treats in a box.
It does.
Well,
let's get started. Or as Rosanna Pansino says, let's get started.
Now we're going to empty our
cake mix, cookie mix into this. I keep saying cake mix because our last video is cake.
Make sure that your mug is an 8 to 12 ounce mug and it is microwave safe. So
let's open. Where is the opening? Right.
It doesn't look like cookie mix. It smells like cookie mix, that's for sure.
Okay, let me see that. Yeah, it just look at it. It's like powdery. It's just brown. Brown. Oh yeah, I see the chocolate chips. The chocolate chips are hiding.
Yeah.
The little chocolate chips are hiding.
So that's what it looks like.
I want to eat this.
So after we poured it in,
it says don't eat raw cake batter, but so tempting to not eat.
Don't eat it. So now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of milk into our.
So one of them?
One tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon. Yeah. And it says that you can add milk or water. We are going to use milk. So,
just like our last time video.
Let's do that.
We usually do milk and everything else.
1. Kyle, you can add it.
So do we do 3?
You add a tablespoon now.
Who just did that?
Right.
What?
Okay.
We're just what's this happen? That does not look good. This does not look. Abrina, can you help me?
She's not good at leveling.
You're not good at leveling my milk.
I'm glad that you didn't.
Guys, so I actually colored this thing way too much on this side, so that's why I always face this side. Because my granny helped me on that one.
And I'm gonna add the teaspoon.
And then after her, she's gonna add the tablespoon, and I'm gonna have the teaspoon.
I don't know why I bite my lip when I do this.
I don't actually bite my lip. This is what I do.
All right, Kyla.
That's what I do when I bite my lip.
Baby.
We have a dog named Leia. She's so adorable.
She's watching us pour the milk.
She wants to eat the milk. God, get in. Okay, Alberta, can you help me measure again? I'm horrible at measuring, guys. Or just not measuring in a cup. That's what I'm horrible at. Boing. Now you're gonna add a tablespoon.
Nothing. I finished. So now we're gonna
Did I finish?
Stir.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we did.
Now we're gonna stir our cookie mix for 30 seconds, and if it doesn't look completely stirred, that's okay. You can stir a little bit more. So
let's get started.
So now we're gonna microwave these on high for 1 minute.
And then we're gonna let them cool for 2 minutes. It's so tempting not to eat this, but I'm gonna not follow the rules since I already banged all this off and eat it.
No. Okay, so let's go do that. So we got these out of the oven, and they don't look like they rise as much.
That's because
as cake does.
That's just because that cookies don't rise as much as cakes.
Sure. So now we're gonna frost them with the fudge. So we kind of open these and kind of taste a little bit. It tastes like hot fudge.
Literally.
See that? I don't.
It tastes like hot fudge, but it's not hot. That's the thing.
I don't like chocolate frosting. This tastes like hot fudge, and I like it. So, let's frost. I'm gonna do like a zigzag pattern if I can. No, I'm not.
Stop.
Because I can't get it on.
Yeah, I'm just putting it around the bottom of the thing.
Oh my gosh! When the chocolate gets on there, it melts.
Oh,
it
yeah.
literally melts.
It lit. What? Did you see that, guys? Ah, that's long. Oh. Let it
I'm
go
just
over
gonna-
here. That's long. Get it over there. That's long.
I'm using my
Spread it
fork to
out.
spread it down.
Spread down. Get down.
Get
Get
into my
down.
bowl.
Get into the bowl. Get down. Okay, guys, this is gonna take a long time, so we might pause the video, but we don't know. Booey ma.
I really don't think I have all of the frosting. Yeah,
It tastes good, guys.
there's more.
I'm gonna start spreading mine out.
So
I need a spoon to spread it out, Mom.
I'm gonna spread it out.
I'm just gonna get a spoon to spread
I'm
it
just gonna use my skills of frosting. Here's what it looks like. You can't see it because I have a dark cup. But I'm gonna taste test it. I want to see how this tastes.
Okay, I'm just gonna spread it out with a fork. Because I don't know what to do with the fork.
Ah,
Let me try.
that's good. It's sweet. It's warm. It has a cookie texture. Like if you ever like have gooey or like warm cookies, that's what it tastes like.
So it tastes like a chocolate chip cookie, literally. But a little cakey. It's just like a chocolate chip cookie, but a little cakey.
It does have a cake.
And then with chocolate fudge. It's warm. It's good. I like it. Same as the cake. It tastes
So-
just like a real cake.
Okay, I had to decide either the cake,
It's hot.
the cookie, or the cake. Now, in regular life, if it wasn't a bug treat, and I had to choose if I wanted cookies or a cake, I would choose cookies all the way.
I would
Now,
choose
for
cake.
this one, I think I'm
if
gonna
there's
choose
no
the
other
cake.
bug. I think I would choose the cake.
I think the cake. I like the cake a lot. I think it has a really sweet. The cake is really sweet. The frosting's creamy and it was nice and fluffy. And I like how that rised more, so that it was more airy. It was more fluffy. More
Yeah.
than this, it's kind of. It tastes like a cookie, but
That's like a regular cookie.
for a mug cake, you want more. Like this didn't. I know that this is a 6-ounce cup, but it didn't fill more than half. It didn't fill
Like mine, like
to half of the mug, so I would like more of it.
I'm
And then
just
the
using
cake
it.
mug, it filled like
almost all the way.
3/4 of the way. Not 3/4. 2/3 of the way. Yeah. So I really like this. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you guys get notified when a new video pops up. And make sure to hit the like button if you like mug cakes. So yeah.
Oh wait, did you already say to hit the bell button?
Yeah.
I forgot that she said that.
Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Right?
Yep.
So
Bye-bye.